We are live now. We are live. We are live. We are live. Hello, namaskar, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum. This is your NEET physics faculty Raghav Sharma at the APJ Academy. So before starting, hi sir, hi Vijay Raghavan, hello, namaskar. So before starting, my dear students, please do tell me the quality of the broadcast. Please do tell me the quality of the broadcast. What does it mean, sir? Do tell me. Am I audible? मेरी आवाज साफ आ रही है? The visuals are clear or not? The visuals are clear or not? How can you tell me? How can you tell me? You can rate it from 1 to 10. 1 means are very bad. 1 mean sir very bad. I can't hear you. I can't see you. And 10 means sir you are rock star. You are superstar. Terrific. Wow. Okay. So 1 to 10 you can rate the quality of the broadcast. 1 mean bad, 10 mean very good. Very good, super. 10 means super. Okay. So myself Raghav Sharma. Oh, this is me. This is me, Raghav Sharma. 3 plus years of teaching experience. Okay. 3 plus years of teaching experience, MSc Physics, Master in Science in Physics, students. MSc Physics, silver medalist, second position holder of my batch, silver, okay, not first, second, okay. Second, and oh yes, BSc Physics honors from Delhi University, South Campus, okay, Delhi se hai bhai. And B.Ed from MDU, Bachelor in Education from Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, and research work done in Jawaharlal Nehru University, okay, and that work has published in international publication, okay, Journal of the American Ceramic Society. So this is all about me. This is all about me. If you want, you can also do give a read. So today, my dear friends, today, the topic we are going to today is basic mathematics part number 4. Basic mathematics part number 4, in which we are going to study curve, okay, curve, C-U-R-V, curve tracing and graphs. Okay, this is what we are going to do today, curve tracing and graphs. Yes, curve tracing and graphs. This is going to be our aim for today, curve tracing and graph. Yes. And before starting, my dear friends, before starting, my dear students, starting my brothers and dear sisters, free class regularly in YouTube. What you have to do is to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon button, so you don't forget any update. So you don't forget any update. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, okay, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram also. You can do follow us on Instagram everyone use, so you make sure you are also following us on Instagram. Okay, so let's start. First, what is mathematical function? Go back to basic mathematics lecture 1. What is mathematical function? I've already told you, and I am going to tell you one time more. What is mathematical function? This thing is like a machine. Mathematical function is like a machine. Function. What function does? If we give some input, if we give the function some input, it will going to give some output. So this is basically what mathematical function does. If we give some input, it will give some output. If we give some input, it will give some output. Okay, and the input are independent variable. We know that input are independent variable. independent variable. Okay, it can be anything, it's upon us. Independent variable, and the output is said as what? Dependent variable. Dependent variable. Dependent variable. This means if we give some input x, okay, we are giving some input x, and this is function fx, and this is function fx, we are going to get some value y. Okay, so y is what? Y is function of x. Wait, what is f? F is some function. F is a mathematical function. It can be x, it can be x square, 2x plus 3, e raised to x, log s, sin x, cos x, tan x. It can be anything. If we give the some value of x, it will going to give some value, dependent thing. Okay, from here we get to do what? We get to do the plotting. Okay, what we plot? We plot like this. This is our some graph. This is our some graph. Let's say this is y, or you can say function x, or you can say function of x, or here, or we can say this is dependent variable. Dependent variable. This is some dependent variable on y-axis. This axis is also called as y-axis. Okay, y-axis, and this is called as x-axis. X-axis, or you can say this is independent variable. Here we plot what? Independent variable. Independent variable. Clear. Any doubt? Now my dear friends, let's say we have how do we graph a plot? How are we going to plot the graph? So we know y is equal to function of x. Y is equal to function of x. If we put some value x, okay, in this we put the value of x, in which value of y? Value of y. Okay, y. So in some value of x, there will be some value of y. In x, there will be some value of y. For some x, there will be some value of y. For x, there will be some value of. And if we connect this point, if we connect all this point, what we will get? We will get some graph, and this is called curve tracing. Okay, this is called curve tracing. Any doubt? If you have any doubt on that, how we make a graph, you can just ask me. Okay, you can just ask me. For some value of x, here value for x1. Okay, here is value for x1. This is for value of x2. This is for some value of x3, and this is for some value of x4. So this is how we plot a graph. Any doubt? Okay, now we are going to do some standard function graph. Okay, this graphs are important, and अगर ये ग्राफ आते हैं तो आपके दिमाग में ना ये छप जाने चाहिए. This graphs should remain in your heart, and if those graphs come in paper, that you will be like, oh, I know that. Okay, you should remember that these graphs are going to repeat many times, the graphs that we are going to do. But before that, my dear friends, don't forget to follow us. Where? Follow us on Telegram. Okay, don't forget to follow us on Telegram, where we will give you free PDF material, free notes, free. Okay, and we do the announcements of free classes, the one you are having right now, and go and do the announcements of discounts, prizes, and giveaways. Okay, and giveaways. If you do follow us on Telegram and in Instagram, you will have a very big chance to get discount, prices, and to have a giveaway to yourself. Okay, this is what we do on Telegram and Instagram, and we have two channels. Where? In Telegram. Okay, we have two channels for you in Telegram, and first channel is for announcements. Okay, this is our main channel. This is our main channel. If you follow us, if you follow that channel, or you can search is like alt NEET. You can follow like alt NEET, and if you scan that, you will get onto our channel on Telegram. And this channel is for the aspirants. Okay, this channel is for the aspirants, and if you do scan this and go into our channel, there are basically hundreds of students that are preparing for the NEET 2020 are there. Our mentors are there. Okay, and you will ask me, sir, what does the mentor does? Okay, if you scan this code, mentors are there. And if you ask me, what does the mentor do? Mentor does what? Does mentor does? Mentor does what? Let's say okay, let's say this is some building called AIMS. This is the building called AIMS. And my dear students, every one of you want to reach here. Every one of you want to reach here. Yes or no? Yes or no? You want to reach here. And you are here. Okay, you are here, my dear friends. This is you. Okay, this is you. And now you want to reach here. You can take two paths. One path is like this, a straight path. One path is straight, and this path is shown by the mentors. Mentors show this path. And if you do self hard work pays. But it is, you have to struggle very, very much. You have to, do the struggling thing, and you have, and sometimes you also get lost. Okay. And if you do, and another path is like this. That is not shown by the mentors, like this. And this can be, you can also get what? Lost. So there are two ways. One is by the mentors, one is by yourself. Okay. And when you go to some new place, what do you basically do? You open your phone, and you tap a Google Map. And you pin this location, and I want to reach here. And Google Maps do its work, and you walk on that path. The Google Maps shows. This is the same thing that mentors does. They show you the path. Okay. So mentorship is there for you. Now let's get back to the topic. And the first standard function, that is basically important. This graph is called y is equal to x, or this function is also called as identity function. This function is also called as identity function. Okay, identity function. How I will make this graph? Okay, in this graph, y is equal to x. So the graph is basically like this: straight line through the origin. Okay, this is the straight line through the origin. If we put the value of x1, the value of y is also 1. Okay, so 1 x value and 1 1. Okay, and if we put the value of y equal to 2, okay, x equal to 2, the y value we will get is also equal to 2. Okay, 2. So this is called identity function. Y and x will have similar values. And if we put the x value equal to so let's say x equal to -3, the y value that we will get is also -3. Okay, so x equal to y. x equal to y, and in this function theta, okay, the theta, this angle, this angle is 45. In this angle is 45. Do remember this, and if we do this thing, okay, let's put the value of x, value of y, 1 1 2 2, and for x equal to -3, this is also -3. Okay, so you can imagine this is a straight function. Okay, this is a straight line passing through the origin. This is called identity function. Let's go to the second graph. Let's do the second graph. That is y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. And if we do find it, y equal to x square, for y equal to 0, x is 0. For y equal to 1, x is 1. For y equal to 2, for x equal y equal to x square. Oh, I am doing opposite thing. Okay. So y equal to x square. If we plot this graph, for x equal to 1, okay, for x equal to 1, y will be 1. For x equal to 2, y will be 4. For x equal to 3, y will be 3 square 9. For x equal to -1, y will be 1. For x equal to -2, y will be 4. And if we do plot it, the plot will be like this. The plot will be like this. Okay, will be like this. The plot will be like this. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome, Kaushal, you're welcome, very welcome. And if we do plot it, this will be like 0 0. It is going to touch here, and this will be, let's say, for x equal to 1 1, and this will be, let's say, this will be 2 4, x value 2, y will be 4. Okay, so this will be plot, this will be get plot like this. This function is going to plot like this. Okay, for x equal to -1, y is also 1, y is 1. This is called parabolic function. This graph is like parabolic function. Okay, parabolic function. This is called parabolic. Okay, all quadratic functions. Okay, when you started ninth, you are introduced with the quadratic functions. Okay, you are introduced with the quadratic functions. All the quadratic function, if we do plot them, they are going to make parabola. What is parabola? Parabola is like katora. Okay, parabola. What is parabola? Parabola is like katora. This is like this. Okay, like this. Parabola. Okay, this is the function of parabolic is like, are you getting me? So these functions are called parabolic functions. Okay. Now let's move on to the third graph. This graph is y is equal to x cube. And these functions are called cubic functions. These functions are called cubic functions. Okay, cubic functions. Y equal to x cube, cubic functions. Okay, and if we do plot them, for y equal to x cube, and if we put the value of x, let's say 1, y will be what? 1 cube, 1. If we do plot give the value of x equal to 2, y will be 2 cube, 8. And if we put the value of x equal to 3, it will be 3 cube, 27. If we do put the value of x equal to -1, this will be -1. For x equal to -2, this will be -8. For x equal to -3, this will be -27. Okay, now we can plot it. Now we can plot it, and this will be like this. This will be like this. Like this. Okay, and here it will be like this. Are you getting me? This is going to be like this. Okay, 1 1, and this will be 2 8, and here this will be -1 -1. And similarly we can plot this what graph y equal to x cube. X cube is like this. Okay, x cube is like this. Do remember functions. Okay, this is y equal to x, this is y equal to x square, and this is y equal to x cube. This is y equal to x cube, and this fourth graph is y is equal to under root x. Y is equal to under root x in this graph. Okay, for you you can't plot imaginary number in yx. You can't plot imaginary number in yx. So in this x cannot be negative. X cannot be negative. X cannot be negative. The input cannot be negative. Okay, the input cannot be negative. And if we do plot it like y is equal to under root x, so x, okay, for x value, for x equal to 1, y is 1. For x equal to 2, y is under root 2. For x equal to 3, this is under root 3. For x equal to 4, y is 2. Okay, the graph will be like this, and if we do plot it, this is going to be like this. Okay, this is going to be like this. This is going to be like this. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, 1 1, and you can imagine what type of graph it is. Okay, what type of graph it is. This is going to be like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? If you do any doubt, you can just ask me. This is the graph y equal to under root x. Y is equal to under root x, and here x cannot be negative. X cannot be negative. X cannot be negative. X is always or equal to 0. Okay. Now let's do another graph. This graph is called exponential graph. Okay, this graph is called exponential graph. Fifth graph is exponential graph. This is y is equal to ex. Y equal to e raised to x. Y raised to e raised to x. This is called exponential graph. Sir, you will ask me, sir, what is exponential? What is exponential? Now let me tell you, we do the exponential and the logarithmic functions in detail in basic mathematical lecture number 5. Or you can say this is like, how can, naturally how can a thing can be grow? Okay, maximum growth. How can the thing can be maximum? कितनी जल्दी बढ़ सकता है? The maximum growth it can have. Okay, the maximum speed by which it can have growth, is called exponential growth. Okay, maximum. Naturally, no one can grow rapidly from this. Okay, so this is the maximum. This is called exponential graph. बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है. Okay, so this is exponential graph, and its value and e value you all know is 2.718. And this exponential graph, you are going to listen very much in chemistry and in physics. You are going to listen exponential growth or exponential decay, exponential rise, exponential fall very much in chemistry and in physics. Okay, and if we do plot the graph, this graph is going to be like this. Okay, y is equal to e raised to x. Okay, y equal to e raised to x. Y is equal to e raised to x. Okay, chichi. x y equal to e raised to x, and if we do put the value of x equal to 1, y will be what? Y will be e. If we put the value of x equal to 2, y will be e square, and if we do the put the value of x equal to 0, y will be what? Y will be what? 1. Okay, now we can plot it. Now we can plot it. The graph will be like this, and if we do put the value of x, some negative, minus and minus 2, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. Or more, we want more close, we want more close relation like this. Yes. Right, right, and this will be like this. Exponential growth. Okay, exponential growth. Y equal to e raised to x. The graph will be like this. The graph will be like this. This point is 0 1, this point is 0 1, or you can say this point is 1e. So 1e. Okay, for x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. For x equal to 1, y is equal to e. Okay, any doubt? And this is exponential function. This is exponential function, and opposite of, or there is sixth function that is called logarithmic functions. Okay, that is called logarithmic function. That is graph number 6. Graph number 6. If you do have any doubt, you can just ask me, sir, I do not understand this, I will answer you. So sixth function is y is equal to log ex. Okay, where e is base of the log function, and x is also always going to be greater than 0. X is always going to be greater than 0 in this log function. Okay, it doesn't allow some negative function. So this is logarithmic function, and if we do plot it, this is going to be like this. This is going to be like this. Okay. This is going to be like this. This is y is equal to log ex. Okay, if we plot the logarithmic function, it is going to be like this. It is going to be like this. Y equal to log ex. This is 1 0. Okay, this is 1 0. Now there is a fun fact. What is fun fact, sir? Now let's say there is fun fact. What is fun fact? Let's say we have put the mirror. Like this. We have put the mirror. This is mirror. Okay, this is some mirror. This is mirror. Okay, this is mirror. This is mirror. And say here we have logarithmic functions. Here we have some logarithmic function like this. Okay, we have some logarithmic function. The log function. Okay, this is y equal to ex, and this is y equal to log ex. Okay, so the exponential function and the logarithmic functions are mirror image of each other. Logarithmic function and exponential functions are what? Are mirror image. They both are mirror image of each other. Okay, if we do put a mirror in origin like this at angle 45 degree, okay, if we do put up a mirror at a theta 45 degree, and if we plot a exponential function, so the mirror image that we will get opposite to that will be what? Will be logarithmic function. Okay, will be logarithmic function. Any doubt in that? Any doubt? If you do have any doubt, you can just ask me. Now let's revise some things. Okay, now let's revise some things. What we have done till now. So first we have done the identity function y equal to x. This is the graph of y equal to x. Any doubt? And this is the graph of like this parabolic graph. This is the parabolic graph of y equal to x square. This is the graph of y equal to x square. This is the parabolic graph. And if we do for y equal to x square x cube, the graph is like this. The graph is like this. Okay, the graph is like this. This is the graph for y equal to x cube. This is the graph for y equal to x cube. And for fourth graph for y equal to under root x. This is the graph for y equal to under root x. Okay, fourth graph y equal to under root x. For e raised to x, the graph is like this. The graph is like this. For this graph is for the y is equal to e raised to x. The fifth graph, this is the first graph, second graph, third graph, fourth graph, fifth graph, and this is sixth graph. Sixth graph is log x. The log x graph is like this. The log x graph is like this. Okay, mirror image of exponential function. Mirror image of exponential function. Okay, so this is the sixth graph. This is the y equal to log x. So this is the sixth graph we have done till now. This is the sixth graph we have done till now. Let's play. Now let's play with graphs. Okay, now let's play with graph and do some transformation rule. Okay, now let's do some transformation rules. What are the transformation rules? Let's say we want to move graph upward or graph downward, graph left and graph right. Then what we have to do? Now there are some transformation rules. Now there are some what transformation rules. And if we want to, and if we want to move graph, if we want to move graph upwards, okay, if we want to move graph upwards, what we have to do? We have to make function like this, fx. We have to convert that into fx plus add some lambda. If we add some constant with the function, we can literally move it upwards. Let's say for example, we have y is equal to x square. For this graph will be like this. Graph is going to be like this for y equal to x square. This is the graph for y equal to x square. We want to move it upwards. Now let's say we have another function y dash equal to, let's add some constant in it. Let's say x square plus 3. Now what will happen? This whole thing will move upwards. Okay, this whole thing will move upward. This is for y equal to x square plus 3. So this whole thing has moved 3 units upwards. Okay, this whole thing has moved 3 units upward. This is how we move the graph upwards. Okay, now let's do some more example. Let's say y equal to x. For y equal to x, the graph will be like this. Okay, the graph will be like this. And if we add some like y is equal to x plus 2 or x equal to 2, this graph will move upward. Like this. This graph will move upward like this by the factor of 2. Any doubt? This is the transformation rule. For moving the graph upwards. Now if we want to move graph downwards, what we have to do? We want to move graph downwards. What we have to do? Let's say y is equal to fx. For this, we have to do this, fx minus lambda. For moving the graph downwards, we have to move We have to minus the function by some constant lambda. Let's say this is graph. This is graph for y equal to x square. This is the graph for y equal to x square. Okay, and we want to move it downwards. We want to move it downwards. Let's say y equal to x square minus 4. Okay, we have another function x square minus 4. We are moving this downwards by the factor of 4. So this will be like this. This will be like this. This will be like this. So this whole thing has moved by the factor of 4. By the factor of 4. Okay, this whole thing has moved down by the factor of 4. Any doubt? Any doubt? So this whole thing has moved down by the factor of 4. So this is how we move the graph downwards. This is how we move the graph downwards. Now third thing, if we want to move left, we want to move graph. If we want to move graph left, what can we do? If we want to move graph left, how can we do it? If we want to move graph left, how can we do it? Let's say our function is like this fx, and if we convert it like this, y dash is fx plus lambda. Now we are adding something up. So let's say for function of x is like this. Okay, this is our touch the origin. Yes, let's say this is touching the origin. Okay, so this is y equal to x square. This is y equal to x square. Imagine that this thing is touching the origin, and if there is another, if we want to move it down, if leftward, we have to make a function like this. Okay, like this. We have to add something in x. Okay, so this will be x plus 2 square. We are transforming the x plus 2. So this whole thing will move leftward like this. This whole thing will move left by the factor of 2. By the factor of 2. By the factor of 2. Any doubt in it? Any doubt? This is how we move the graph leftward. This is how we move the graph leftward. Okay, this is important. Okay, so if we are adding in function some lambda, this is moving leftward. Okay, and if we want to move rightward, if we want to move graph rightwards, what we have to do? If we want to move graph rightwards, okay, let's say y is equal to x. Okay, y is equal to function of x. For to move it rightward, we have to do like this: x minus lambda. Okay, so let's say this is some graph. Let's say this is y equal to under root x. This is y is equal to under root x. Okay, y equal to under root x, and we want to move it leftward. Okay, we want to move it leftward. So what we have to do? We have to minus something up. Like this. Let's say we want to move by the factor of 1. Okay, so the graph that it will make will be like this. Okay, so this is y equal to under root x minus 1. So this thing has moved by the factor of 1. This is how we make the graph move rightwards. This is how we make the graph move rightwards. Okay, make the graph move rightwards. Now we want to have some mirror image. Now we want to move some mirror image. Now if we do like this, if we do like this function of x, okay, y is function of x, and if we transform it like this, if we transform like this, now what will happen? Now what will happen? There will be some mirror image. Okay, let's say if this is y equal to, let's say this is y equal to x square, this is y equal to x square. Okay, this is y equal to x square, and if it transforming it negative, so it will be y equal to, y dash will be equal to minus x square. It will be like this, it will be like this, it will be like this. Okay, so this is y equal to minus x square, y dash equal to minus x square. Okay, any doubt? Okay, the x-axis will act like a mirror. The x-axis will act like a mirror. Okay, the x-axis will act like a mirror, and this is going to, upwards, mirror downwards. Okay, we are transforming it. Okay, any doubt? Okay, no. Okay, let's do the sixth rule. Last rule. If we do like this, function of x, if we convert it like function of minus x, if we do thing like this, what will happen? Now? What will happen? Let's say y is equal to e raised to x. Y equal to e raised to x, and if we transform it like this, what will happen? Y dash will become e raised to minus x. So this is like this. Initially, the graph of e raised to x is like this. E raised to x is like this. Okay, e raised to x like this, and now it will become like this. It will become like this. So this is y equal to e raised to x, and this is y dash equal to e raised to minus x. What is happening here? This axis means y axis is acting like a mirror, If we do transformation like this, fx into f minus x, what will happen? Y axis will act like a mirror. If we do transformation like this, fx equal to minus fx. Any doubt? And in this thing, when we change the function like this, f equal to minus fx into minus fx, the x-axis will act like a mirror. In this case, x-axis will act like a mirror, and in this case, y-axis will act like a mirror, and in this case, y-axis will act like a mirror. Any doubt? If you do have any doubt, you can ask me. I am here for you. Okay, now let's see some more graphs. Let's talk about trigonometric functions. Okay, now let's talk about trigonometric functions. Two graphs are important. First graph is of a sin x. Okay, first graph is important, that is y is equal to sin x. how we plot it, this is like this, this is like this, okay, this is like this, this is like this, okay. It start from 0, then goes to some position, let's say maximum value 1, then it again goes to 0, again -1, 0, okay. So if we do the, okay, y equal to sin x, okay, sin x, x opposite sin theta, for x equal to 0, for x equal to 0, we do the, if x equal to 0, sin theta is 0. For x equal to 30 degree, for x equal to 30 degree, sin theta value is 1 by 2. For x equal to 45 degree, its value is 1 by under root 2. For x equal to 60 degree, its value is under root 3 by 2. For x equal to 90 degree, its value is 1. For more values, how can we find more values? Please do watch lecture number 2, in which we have discussed trigonometric functions in detail. Go to the lecture number 2, basic mathematics, okay. Basic mathematics lecture number 2, we have, no, in basic mathematics lecture number 1, we have discussed trigonometry in detail, okay. Now let's make another graph, that is y is equal to cos x, y equal to cos x, cos graph is like this, cos graph is like this, okay. Cos graph is like this, and if we do plot, x in cos theta, cos x, for x equal to 0 degree, cos x value is 1. For cos value, x value 30 degree, its value is under root 3 by 2. For x equal to 45 degree, its value is 1 by root 2. For x equal to 60 degree, its value is 1 by 2. For x equal to 90 degree, its value is 0. Okay. For x equal to 0, cos value is 1. For x equal to 30 degree, its value is under root 3 by 2. For x equal to 45 degree, its value is 1 by root 2. For x equal to 60 degree, its value is 1 by 2. And for x equal to 90 degree, its value is 0. Okay. Now, if we do like this, y equal to sin x plus 3. If we do something like this, y equal to sin x plus 3, what will happen? The graph will be like this, okay. The graph will be like this. It will move upwards, it will move upwards, it will move upwards, it will move upwards, okay. It will move upwards, it will move no. Yes, it will be like this, it will be like this, okay. Any doubt? This is y equal to 0, and this is y equal to 3, okay. This graph, the graph will be like this. Any doubt? If you do have, you can just ask me. Now let's do another graph. Let's do the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. Y is equal to 1 by x. How can we make the graph of y equal to 1 by x? The graph of 1 by x, the graph will be like this. The graph will be like this. A discontinuous graph, okay. The graph is going to be like this. For y equal to 1 by x, the graph will be like this, and this is called rectangular hyperbola. This is called rectangular hyperbola, okay. And x cannot be equal to 0. The x cannot be equal to 0. For x equal to 0, this is not defined, and this is important, okay. This is important graph, okay. This is important. Now let's make another graph. Let's make another graph. The another graph is y is equal to 1 by x square. Y is equal to 1 by x square. The graph will be like this. The graph will be like this. The graph will be like this. For y equal to 1 by x square. For y equal to 1 by x square, the graph will be like this. Similarly, x cannot be equal to 0. The x cannot be equal to 0. For y equal to 1 by x square, the graph will be like this. The graph will be like this. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Now let's do something more. Let's do 11th and our last thing that is remaining. Okay, straight line equation. Let's do straight line equation. That equation is y is equal to mx plus c. We all know it. Y is equal to mx plus c. We all have seen this equation. We have all seen this equation where m is slope, and where c is the intercept, or you can say where it cuts the y-axis, m is slope and c is intercept. Okay. If we write the equation, like this, y is equal to 2x plus 7. C will be the intercept and 2 will be the slope. Slope can be negative, slope can be positive, it can be anything. Now let's plot a graph. For 2x plus 7. So this is c intercept, so this will be here. This will be 0, 7. Okay. For x equal to 0, y will be what? 7. Okay. And under intercept will be here. For y equal to 0, x will be minus 7 by 2. So this, it will be like here, minus 7 by 2, 0. And this will be like this. Okay. If we do make the line of one time, put the value of x 0. Okay, one time put the value of x equal to 0 and one time put the value of y equal to 0. Make 2 points, have some scale and plot the graph. This will be the slope. How we do find the slope? This is y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Differentiate both sides with respect to x, and if we do this, the slope we will get, d by dx, will be equal to m. This is called what? M is called what? Slope. Okay. Any doubt? And slope can be positive, negative, 0 and not defined. The slope can be positive, negative and 0 and not defined. When it will be 0? If it is, let's say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Let's first do for the 0 part. If the line is parallel, if line is parallel to x-axis, then m will be 0. Okay. And if line is parallel if line is parallel to y-axis, if line is parallel to y-axis, then m will be not defined. Okay, m will be not defined. It is parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis. Okay, any doubt in that? Any doubt? Okay, any doubt in that? If you do have doubt, you can just ask me. Now, when it will be positive and when it will be negative. Okay, when it will be positive and when it will be negative. Okay, we have to do this thing also here. If line is like this, if line is like this, if line is like this, okay, it is like this, tilting like this. If it is tilting like this, okay, or you can say theta, is greater than 90. You can say theta is greater than 90. It will have m slope negative. It will have slope negative. Okay, it will have slope negative. Theta, if theta is greater than 90, then m will be negative. Okay, and if line is like this, when theta is lesser than 90. Okay, in this condition, when theta is like this, m will be positive. Okay, any doubt? If you do have any doubt, you can just ask me. I'm here for you. Okay, now let's talk about our course. Our course include 90 plus concise, concise, concentrated, concentrated, focused, concise, concentrated and focused class on NEET. The NEET exam is coming and it will probably happen in June 25, 26, 27. So if you are preparing for the NEET exam, this is the best time that you can join our course. Concise, concentrated and focused class. Syllabus from the NEET expert. Okay, NEET. Here is NEET. Syllabus from the NEET expert, what you can more want. Okay, we have flipped classroom method. That classroom method is mainly does in where? In Russia and Ukraine. Oh, I know that they are in war right now, but not because of that. They have their own reasons to go on a war. But if you do study from this method, you will probably have 14, 50, 60% more chance to get into your dream college. If you do study from this method, flipped classroom method, and we have doubt solving practice. Sir, what is doubt solving practice? Like you have some doubt, okay, and this is your phone. Okay, this is your phone. What do you have to do? Okay, I have this doubt. I will write. Oh, I have this doubt. Oh, and you will send us to our mentor, and our mentor see this. Oh, this student. Oh, has this doubt, and he will. Oh, hello Ramesh, hello Suresh, hello Tinky, hello Pinky, and he will call you and he will solve your doubts live. Okay, he will solve your doubts. And if you all get stuck in some question, what you can do, just click the question. Okay, click the question like this. I'm clicking, click, shutter. Okay, it will click, send us to our mentor, send this pictures and your doubt to our mentors, and he will solve there for you, and he will tell you how to solve the question. Okay, how to solve the question. This is our crash course looks like. Our crash course, CRASH, crash course, CRA, no crash. Okay, and how our class looks like, how we do the things. First we do the theory. We cover all the theory A to Z. We do all the theory A to Z and there is nothing remaining. All the theory, my dear friends, all the theory, you know, everything is there. And then we will provide you study material. Then we will provide you study material. And if you have any doubt, we do some clearing for you. We also have some webinar lectures for doubt solving, theory, study material, webinars. Okay, so you are basically doing same thing 2 times. And after theory, we will also provide you some homework to do, where you can do the reality check, that how much you know and how much you understood or not. And you can check your real-time progress, in homework. You can check your check your progress. Okay, and we can also do, and we if you do well, our mentors will, okay, oh, very good, my dear friend, you are doing fine. And if you are doing bad in homework, then our mentors will call you, oh, where are you lacking, and they will provide you some how to tackle the problem, and all the stuff, they are there for you. So we have mentors 24/7, 365 for you. Okay, yes. Now my dear friend, if we have two plans, there for you. First is smart and another is proficient. Smart and proficient. In smart and proficient, we have this thing common. First is interactive live classes. You can get live classes. Okay, you can interactive class. The class that you are getting right now, you can get similar class like that. In where? In our live sessions. You will get structures courses only. The thing that is going in order, progressing in a structured way. And you will get PDFs, you will get live test, you will get physical notes, live test, structures courses, PDFs, interlect session. And in smart and proficient, you also get mentorship. By this thing is important. Okay? Mentorship is important. If you are stuck and if you are lost somewhere, this mentorship is there for you. You want how to make your timetable. For timetable, mentorship are there for you. If you are feeling down, mentors are there for you. Okay, we have live doubt solving. If you are stuck somewhere, you have any doubt in some topics, mentors are there for you. One-to-one mentorship, your motivation, everything, they are there for you in these two things. One-to-one mentorship and live doubt solving. Okay, what do you want? 24/7 there for you. Okay, and we have mock test. Okay, mock test. If you are struck okay, this is like a reality check in how much water you are in right now. What are your weakness? What are your strengths? If you want to check them, what do you have to do? You have to do the mock test. If you do the mock test, you will know that where are you standing right now, how much I good, how much I want to, how much I do more study to keep up with the my dream college. If I want to get into my dream college, and that college requires a minimum of 670 marks, 700 marks. So how much I should score more, and you will know your strength and weakness by the mock test. And there are some additional special courses in proficient thing. Let's say if you are struck, if you are feeling down, you want some more motivation, and we have some more sessions in additional special courses. And if you want to be there, in all these things, in all these special sessions, you can ask for proficient. You can go for the proficients. And all this thing that I've talked about, you can get all this thing not in 7990, you can get all this thing minus 5,000 and you can save 5,000. You can get that all these things only in 2990. You can get this plan only in 3,000. You can get this plan only in 3,000. Okay, what more you want? You just have to scan this. Okay, do the scanning thing. Okay, screenshot, do the scanning thing, and now I'm here. Okay, scan this, and you will get onto our one-stop solution. You will get onto one stop solution. You will get one-stop solution, and in here what you will find a link to our Telegram mentors that will guide you to the whole thing. And I think this will be your one step close. You will get one step closer to your dream college. You will get one step closer to your dream college. Okay, what more you want? Let's see you on other lectures of the APJ Academy in next sessions. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to मास्क लगाओ भाई, मास्क लगाओ. Corona is still going on. Don't fall for the war thing. Don't follow the war thing. Corona is still going on. So make sure you follow all the norms. Till then, take yourselves. Bye bye. See you. Take care.